It's probably one of the last snowstorms here in 2015 for southeastern Wisconsin. New Year's right around the corner. And we're going to drive around an Old Crusty and see how many people we can find that are stuck. Didn't take long. Got a good Samaritan from the bar here. Here's one in the Taco Bell drive-thru. You might ask yourself why I don't get out and push all these people. Well, they're just everywhere. There's no way I can help them all. That guy's nuts for trying to stick his car in there in the first place. Here you got Johnny Law. This guy's up on the median strip. Looks like he's been there a while. Every couple hundred yards you can find somebody stuck. This guy's out on the road at the end of his driveway. Steep driveway there. Looks like some pretty low ground clearance on that car. Looks like this guy's got all-wheel drive. I don't think I'd want all them guys pushing on my Challenger. We're at the Clark station here. Let's get a close-up with this guy's situation. stuck? You got any place to hook onto?
Good question. I don't know. I don't think so.
The reality is, if I pulled that guy out, you would probably just get stuck, you know, half mile down the road or next thick intersection. A lot of these people get stuck trying to get home from work. Stuck on a downhill grade. That sucks. All right, man, what happened?
Turning into my neighborhood and thought I could make it. Obviously, didn't make it very far.
You got caught in the sauce?
Yep.
That's some deep
Now we
sauce.
got a Ford pulling a Chevy. Wisconsin. I moved here from Arizona. Gotta love it.
At least I was able to help one person. I can't be risking hooking onto a car with no attachment point and wrecking it and then having to pay for it. This guy's balls deep with the hood up.